What is going on out there, peeps? Okie dokie. Man, all of a sudden I'm getting messages and a couple of posts, and of course, the crypto people, we go back and forth at each other in a playful way. All of a sudden I hear them, they're saying, oh, see, now silver's going to crash. And I was like, what the heck are you guys talking about? And I went over to see, I see what they're talking about. I was like, okay. I see what you're looking at. But then notice the quick response, the quick bounce back versus cryptocurrencies. So this isn't a battle between cryptocurrencies and physical metals. Look, again, I don't want to discourage people from buying cryptocurrencies. I love the premise behind it. I'm little by little getting some of my concerns addressed. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, again, I'm not against them. I just want to feel like it's something I could trust being in without anything the government does to take it from me, block me from using it. You know what I mean? You get where I'm coming from. I just don't want them all in my business. That's why I love physical gold and silver. I can hold it. It's none of their business. All right, you guys, there's some people making some pretty good moves out there right now. A couple of clients hit me up, walked them through a little bit on some purchases, and they're making some big purchases. And I'm talking about in the tens of thousands of dollars. Congratulations out to you guys. And you guys went to Money Metals, and I'm grateful for that, of course. Money Metals is a great company. They're family owned, and I love supporting them. They support the channel, so I'm grateful for that. So anyways, you guys, if you're thinking about buying precious metals, reach out to our friends over there at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description. If you are a first-time buyer in Puerto Rico or the United States and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and get your free half ounce of silver. You guys know I got a new platform over there. I am posting videos that I cannot post here, and then some. I posted a very good video today, and I shared a strategy on cryptocurrencies I think you guys will like. Okay, so the link for that is down below in the description as well. Go support our friends over at Wall Street Silver. They have a YouTube channel as well as a Reddit page. We're going to visit that. I want you guys to check something out. So the links are down below in the description. Watch out for the fraudsters. If there's no color around my name like this, then it's not me. I wouldn't be sending you to WhatsApp, so avoid that. You know, we got Pimpy's investment chat over here on Facebook. It is a Facebook group. It's free to join. Over here, we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. So head on over there. It's free to do so. All right, so what happened today? Let's refresh. Not that the day is over, but what's happening so far. Around 2 o'clock, something happened. Something definitely happened to precious metals. So if you take a look, all of a sudden there's this drop. This boop. So what happened? We went from, gold was up, let's see here, get up there, 1864. In a matter of a few minutes, 1836. So, you know, you're talking about a 30-cent or $30 drop off. It doesn't sound like a lot, and it's not. But the fact that it just instantaneously dropped off like that was definitely curious to see. And I'll show you what I'm talking about when it comes to silver. I mean, with silver, if you go to this chart, it's obvious as can be. What am I talking about? This crap right here. Look at this. What the hell? So if this isn't manipulated, I don't know what is. But taking silver from 27.71 all the way down to 26.97 and still dropping, that's ridiculous. It's almost a dollar drop in value. There's no reason for this at all. So what might have caused this? Because cryptocurrency has seen a little dip as well, but they are recovering slowly. Where is it at? And 1 and 2. So yeah, it's dipping down, but it's starting to recover. Anyways, it was at 40,000. Bitcoin was. It's dropped down a little bit. Last night I was watching them go up a little bit. It was exciting to see, believe it or not. So they're all in red today. So what's causing this to happen? Well, the lovely Feds made an announcement today. And what was that announcement? Well, the Fed holds rates at near zero, making it free to borrow money. And basically what that does, it triggers the market. If there's no hike in interest rates, there's no need to rush over to so-called safe haven assets. So usually what happens is the computers try to convince you that people are selling their safe haven assets, considering that this one says the rates will stay near zero, project possible rate hikes by the end of 2023. Now you're talking about, what's that, 2.5 years? Is that what they're trying to tell us in 2.5, or is that 1.5? 1.5 years? No, it's 2.5. So 2.5 years, no rate hikes. And that's why you've seen the market respond the way it is. The Federal Reserve said on Wednesday, because the point is, if they're saying there's no rate hikes, there's no fear of a collapse. If there's no fear of a collapse, there's no reason to be in gold and silver. And there's no reason to be in safe havens like cryptocurrencies. That's what they're trying to make us believe. We all know right now that the stock market, the Wall Street, is being controlled by computers. So the algorithms kick in during certain news or when certain prices hit. It triggers it. So if it looks like everybody's dropping their paper, silver, and gold, is what the appearance is. It drops the value, makes it look like people are going into riskier assets. The problem is the stock market, gold, silver, as well as cryptocurrencies are all dropping at the same time. So what the heck is really going on? The Federal Reserve said on Wednesday it held its interest rates near zero, but optimism over the progression of the United States economy recovering spurred for more federal office officials to pencil in rate hikes by the end of 2023. The Fed also reiterated now its commitment to asset purchase programs, which is absorbing about 120 billion a month in assets, which I absolutely am suspicious of and hate this, because it's not like they're not just buying our assets to keep our markets afloat. And I'm not talking about stock. They're buying up houses, family units, and they're paying 2, 3, 4 times the actual market value in some cases. They're buying up farmland. This is the whole great reset. You'll own nothing and you'll rent everything and you'll be happy. Why are we allowing our government to buy up assets? Let the market do its natural movement. They want to criticize capitalism. Well, capitalism in its purest form works. Manipulated capitalism is a farce. It's fake. It's no good. As a matter of fact, it's criminal. So they're trying to say that the vaccinations will likely continue to reduce the effects of the public health crisis on the economy, but risk to the economic outlook remains. Well, yeah, I mean, you look, most of the people already vaccinated, and still most democratic cities are on lockdown. It's ridiculous. So that's most likely what's causing these drops in the assets all the way across the board, is the Fed's announcement. So I'm just trying to see if there's anything else really quick. Any news that could be causing the spike? None. But to see not only silver drop down almost $1 now, you're not seeing it up here, but I show you on that. These are the live. This is just, oh, it shot right back up. What? Who's your buddy? Who's your buddy? Let's see here. Is that right? Oh, it did. Well, chap my hide and call me Spanky. What do we got going on here? Oh, yeah. Did you see this? This is by the hour. Okay. So you can see it still drop. Where did it drop from? 27.72. Yeah. So about 72 cents. Yeah. Again, it's starting to go back up. That's why you see that big green line, because that one's by the minute. This is by the hour. So, almost 72-cent drop in such a short period of time. Yeah, there's something definitely going on. That's not legitimate. Let's go over to our friends over at Wall Street Silver. I love to cruise through here and take a look at these pictures. It gets me all motivated. But let me show you something sexy. Look at these Britannica silver bars, man. They are just gorgeous. You see, usually when it comes to silver bars, they don't have any real collection value to them. They're just silver bars. Silver rounds, silver bars, usually, and they're pretty plain. But in these recent years, man, they've been coming out with some really beautiful looking bars and beautiful looking rounds. These Britannicas look really beautiful. I mean, seriously, look at the details in these. That's just gorgeous. What's this one? Look at this dragon. Nice. Yeah, the details on these Britannicas are really gorgeous. So, anyways, yeah, so now they're starting to become a niche. So there's going to be a collector's niche now on bars. So they'll sooner or later they're going to have more than just, oh yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah. Shout out. Let's give some props. Looky there. Look at this collection right here. That is stacking at a whole different level. Looky there. What are these 10-ounce bars? That looks like kilo. Those are kilos, man. These are not even 10-ounce bars. These are kilo bars. Kilo bars. Look at that. Nice. That is nice. 7,488 ounces of silver. That's taken out of the hands of the evil bankers. So, Silver Surfer is the one that posted that. Nice freaking collection there. Yeah, people are starting to see these signs everywhere. Shout out to, once again, Wall Street Silver for, people are taking or sending in donations. And this is what they're doing, bringing awareness to people. Buy silver. I was about to say, man, if this is somebody's collection, wow. For like a fraction of a second, I was like, well, hold my beer. That's what I was thinking. These are 1,000-ounce bars. Woo, man. For just a fraction of a second, I was like, wow, somebody's going for the gusto. Look at these beautiful, beautiful gold bars. So what are they saying? They sit on there. What? I have to start me over from the beginning. It says, I'm doing my own raid on June 25th, the Friday before Basel 3. I've saved enough cash to buy 10 kilos of silver and 5 ounces of gold. Nice. Everybody's trying to hit that target. Everybody's buying mass amounts. Look at this. Got 6 boxes of bananas. Just under 6,000 physical ounces. Keep on stacking. Taking it out of the hands of the bankers. I'm loving it. Hey, even that counts. Taking it out of their hands. 10,000 new apes in one day. Yeah, I'll mention that here shortly. Look at, here's another 500-ounce Britannia 2021 coins. Yeah, that's 500 ounces right there. Look at these maple leaves. Lunar coins. Silver eagles. Oh, look at that stack. So we got monster boxes. There's 500 ounces in each. So what is that? 2,000 right there. There's got to be at least. Oh, see now, I don't know if that's what's in here, but usually silver tops are the gold. I might be wrong, but or they're the 50 stacks. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at about 4,000 ounces of silver. Nice, man. That is nice. So what was I talking about earlier that person was mentioning? Let me see here. Look at those. 500 more ounces. Another monster box. Dang, people grabbing in monster boxes. That's what I'm talking about. Monster boxes have about 500 ounces in them. Look at this. Expected change in rent. Transitory, yeah, transitory inflation. Look at this. You're talking about, almost what geez. Since 2020, we're talking about a 14% increase in rent. It's ridiculous. Here's what we're talking about. Look how many subscribers have now joined Wall Street Silver. For those of you who are trying to get family members to buy in on this, send them over to Wall Street Silver. Seriously, there's all kinds of information. They can ask questions. They don't have to get advice from a guy named Pimpy. Okay? That's what I hear all the time. But anyways, look, I love coming over here because I get motivated. It's exciting to see. Again, I want to encourage you guys to come join them over there. The dip in the assets are most likely due to the Fed's announcement. What the hell is going on here? I have no clue. So this green is only because this is when you do it by the minutes. But if you look at it by hour, yeah, that's ridiculous. 72 cents. Well, it's starting to go up a little bit. Nah, no, it's not. 72-cent drop in just a few minutes. I got to see who could come up with the reasoning behind this. So yeah, everybody's assets are dropping just a little today. Nothing to write home to. Even $1 drop on silver doesn't trip me out. We're expecting all kinds of real magical things to happen to the price right before the June 28th date when Basel III takes effect in Europe. I'm excited about that. We'll see where things go. Okay? Okay, that's it for now, you guys. Let me know what you think. What is causing this $1 drop in silver? I think it has to do with the Fed's announcement. I might be wrong. You let me know what you think. So again, that's it for now. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. I'm out.